Vivo sub-brand IQOO has added a new device to its offerings. After weeks of teasing and leaks, the company has finally launched the IQOO Z1x 5G, and it is exactly like many expected it to be. It has a decent 6.57-inch TFT LCD display with FHD Plus resolution. The screen has an aspect ratio of 20:9 and a snappy 120 Hz refresh rate. Furthermore, the display comes with a punch hole on the top right corner and it houses the front camera. On the back, it has a triple camera array with a 48MP primary sensor. The primary sensor comes with EIS. The camera array is completed by a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor. As for the front camera, it is a 16MP selfie shooter. Under the hood, the device runs on the Snapdragon 765G SoC. The available RAM variants are either a 6GB or an 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, and the storage options are 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB UFS 2.1 storage. The device has a huge 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging. Unfortunately, it is a downgrade from the 44W fast charging available in the standard IQOO Z1. The Vivo IQOO Z1x 5G is equipped with a good heat management system too. It has an 85mm cooling pipe along with a 1000 SQ.mm graphite sheet. Additionally, it has a cooling turbo. It is a software feature that helps to further lower the temperature of the device. The Vivo IQOO is already on sale in the Chinese market. However, nothing much has been said about its global availability. As for the price, the basic 64GB variant is priced at 1,598 Chinese yuan $230. Similarly, the other variants 6 128GB, 8 128GB and 8 256GB cost 1,798 Chinese yuan, 1,998 Chinese yuan and 2,298 Chinese yuan respectively.